What's up guys, it's Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, what's up? I'm Shelly. Welcome to my channel. So we've officially entered the holiday season and a bunch of people are thinking about gifts already. I mean, Christmas is pretty soon, so yeah, people are thinking about gifts, and because of that, I wanted to unbox one of my favorite gift ideas for the whole holiday season. It's a really simple gift, it's a great value, and it's perfect for people who are just starting out in makeup, just getting started. My mom got me one of these one time, and it was clutch. So this is the Lancome Holiday Gift Set. Every single year, Lancome comes out with a new gift set similar to this around the holiday season. It's a purchase with purchase, but I promise you it's like the best thing you can buy. As you guys can see, you get 11 full-size products. You pay $68 for it, but you get a $460 value. I can already tell you right off the bat that this mascara plus this lash primer is gonna be around $60, so you've already made your money back. That's a value. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust into this box and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what you guys are gonna get. I'm also gonna list the price of everything on the screen somewhere, that way you guys can see the value that you're truly getting plus the price that you're gonna pay. I promise this is one of the best holiday gifts you can get a makeup lover / makeup beginner ever. So when you open the box, you can see that it comes with that makeup tote right there. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. So first thing you guys can see, it comes with this really beautiful makeup tote. It's great for beginners who need a nice makeup bag / makeup tote to carry their new products in. It's a nice size for someone who has like a small collection, and it's actually really durable, which I really like. So it feels like great quality. Now let's see what is in the top. Wow, that's a big mirror. So there's a nice big mirror, which is perfect again for the new beginner or just anyone really who loves makeup. They can travel with their stuff and use this mirror to get ready in. As you guys can see, everything comes in protective tissue paper, so let's see what we have. So the first product is this Genifique Youth Activating Eye Cream. Everyone could do with a nice eye cream, so this is a great little skincare product to keep in your makeup bag. All right, then next you get the Genifique Facial Serum. So this is the Youth Activating Facial Serum. This is really gonna help with anti-aging. So this is just really perfect for anybody's skincare routine. And you guys get both the eye cream and the facial serum in this gift set. So it's great that they include a little bit of skincare as well as makeup in these holiday gift sets. Ooh, next you have 3 different lipsticks. So this is the color 256 Sugared Maple. I'm actually gonna go ahead and scroll this up. Oh wow, okay, so you guys really do get a full-size lipstick. They're not skipping on the length or anything, so that is great. You get 3 full-size lipsticks, and then, oh my gosh, you guys. This is the color Red Stiletto 181. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. I should put this on. Wow, that's a really pretty red. So this is the red stiletto that you guys get in this gift set. And then the last color that we have is Pale Lip 307. This is probably going to be a little bit light for me, but it is a really pretty color. I'm really still loving this red, y'all. Like, okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and move into the lower compartments. You get this dual-ended brush, so it comes with a pretty little blush brush, and then I'm guessing a little concealer / you know what, let me open this up and see. I don't have scissors either. All right, there we go. And so as you guys can see on this side, you get like a nice little blush / powder brush. This side kind of looks a bit like an eyeshadow brush or a concealer. It's synthetic fibers, so it's just like a really nice kind of all-purpose type of brush that you can travel with. Then we have this big thing, whatever this is. Oh, Okay, so you get their Bifacel Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. So this is what this makeup remover looks like. And you guys, this makeup remover ain't no joke. You shake it up and it takes off any makeup product, I swear. This is like one of the best liquid makeup removers that I personally have used, and I really love that. So I love that they give you a full, like, look at how big that is. Literally says on the box full size product, but I'm just still shook because I'm so used to every brand giving you like those baby samples. So we have some eye products. All right, so you guys get the Definicils mascara, the Cils Booster XL lash primer, and a black, really long black pencil eyeliner in the color Black Ebony. As you guys can see, this is a pretty long pencil, and I really do love Lancome's pencils. They glide on really easily and they do stay long, so this is really fun. I've also lost a million black eyeliners, so everybody needs a black eyeliner in their makeup kit. This is again why it is good for beginners. So if you guys didn't know, which I'm not sure if you do know, but this combo, the Definicils mascara and the Cils Booster lash primer, is probably my favorite combination of lash products, period. The Definicils brush, as you guys can see, it looks like this. I know it looks like nothing special, but this brush is so good at separating your lashes. The formula is so good at lengthening the lashes. When you put it on top of this, you get extra volume and length, and it just gives you the prettiest, lengthened, separated, natural looking lashes. Girl, this is what's up. This is the last product in the bag, and oh my gosh, you guys, look at how pretty this sparkly palette is. Okay, so the last product is an eyeshadow palette, and this is the Lancome eyeshadow and blush palette in the name Glow. Okay, so the packaging is very beautiful. As you guys can see, it's this beautiful black glitter, and what I love about it is it doesn't, like, the glitters don't come off. So let's go ahead and get into what the palette actually looks like. I'm so excited. Wow. This is just a really, again, this is a good palette for beginners. There's like easy neutral shades. There's nothing too crazy. Maybe the green is a little bit crazy, but I think that it comes with a really good lower row that's just perfect for something easy, something natural. You have your black in this corner, so you can really smoke it out for the nighttime. But again, this is a really nice color palette for beginners, and so I think this whole gift set is truly great for beginners. And you guys, look at how big this mirror is. Y'all know that they always have small mirrors on makeup palettes, but this is a great travel size mirror. Like, I can see my whole face. So I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of the Lancome Holiday Gift Set. Again, I highly recommend this product. Highly suggest that you get it, but if not, I will be unboxing more gift ideas throughout this holiday season just to help you guys with your gifting this year. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And again, if you guys are new, don't forget to click subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I think that's a wrap here. So just like always, until next time, bye guys.